everybody. I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to be cooking a pork loin wrapped in bacon on the pit today. I have a pork loin here that I have been soaking overnight. It is now after 2 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I put the brine in it about 9 o'clock last night and let it just soak all night, all day today. What the brine is the leftover brine from my cowboy candy. So it's a jalapeno, sweet, cayenne pepper, garlic, and a few more seasonings in there that you just have to look at my cowboy candy video to find out. But we're going to take this, we're going to pour off the brine. Take out the pork loin. Put over here. Let me get a towel real quick. So, I've got my pork loin here, as you can see. And I'm going to take bacon and wrap around it, and I'm going to cook it on the pit at a low heat for a couple hours. I have thick bacon put around it. Everybody knows that everything tastes better with bacon. Making bacon, as my kids say. Making bacon. Take and just wrap pieces around it and put your toothpicks in it. Make sure you put your toothpicks to where they're sticking out. I've seen people use toothpicks where they just put it all the way in to where you can't see them. That's not a good thing. Taking you bite into that, ooh-wee, that's gonna hurt. Yeah, we're just going to take and just wrap the bacon all around it. And with this, I'm going to serve sweet potatoes, because that just goes so good with pork. I'll take and put sweet potatoes on the pit. Along with it. I'm just going to do this. We're going to do this differently. There we go. Like that. One right there. One right there. It's going to cover the ends. So, you can see I got it all wrapped up in my bacon. I'm going to enclose my foil, but I'm not going to close it all the way because I'm going to want it to have a smoky taste. So in about maybe an hour, I'll go out there and close it all up to where it can just simmer in the juices. But for the first hour, I want it to get the smoky flavor. So I'm going to leave it partially open so it can do that. So when I come back to you in just a little bit, I will have it for a taste test. Yes, yes, yes. We will have a taste test with the sweet potatoes on the pit, and I'm also going to do a little side jalapeno jelly with it. Like I said, my jellies, they are more than just your peanut butter and jelly jellies. They are your cooking jellies too. So stick around. I'll be right back. So I'm out here at my pellet pit, and I'm gonna stick the pork loin on there. Like I said, it's a pork loin that I soaked overnight and all day today in the cowboy candy brine that I had left over, and I wrapped it all in bacon. I left the top open so that it can get smoke and everything. I have my pellet pit heated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put it on for about an hour with the top of it open, and then I'll come back and close it and just let it finish cooking with all the juices and everything. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and lace it on. And just let it cook. So I will be back in about an hour. See you then. Bye.
You're too late. You couldn't be in the picture.
No, we're still here. I haven't stopped it. Adam wants to come be in the picture with us.
Say hi.
Say hi, Adam.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Say, I'm going to swing. I don't care.
We'll be back. Okay. Say hi, Adam. We're back. I got the pork loin off the pit, and I've got it all made up right here. Looks really good. Got my sweet potatoes, my pork loin, and my jalapeno jelly.
We want a bite, huh?
We want a bite. So, we're going to take a bite.
You're going for sweet potato. You're supposed to be going with pork loin.
Say, I'm going for sweet potato for her. So dip it in your jalapeno jelly.
Another great dish.
Oh my goodness, that is great.
I'm ready to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Autumn is too.
So, like I said, you just
Yum, yum.
marinate your pork loin
Yum, yum,
overnight throughout the whole day.
What do you
Put it
do?
on your pellet pit or
Or
your
barbecue
pit
pit, it don't matter.
for about an hour and 45 minutes. And it'll turn out great. Wrap it in bacon.
Yeah.
And I think she likes the sweet potatoes. Do you like the sweet
On
potatoes?
bake. On bake. Bake. Mm.
She loves sweet potatoes. So,
That good?
that's it. So from our house to your house, we wish you to be safe, be blessed. Make sure you like, share, ring that bell, yeah, and give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs
Say
up.
thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Say bye, y'all.
Until next time, bye-bye. Say bye, Autumn.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.